The Texas Rangers want to know who placed a booby-trapped sign at a polling site in Plano. 8 box cutter blades were attached to this Trump-Pence sign. A polling site volunteer cut his hand after an early voting location in Collin College. Fox 4's Alex Boyer is in Collin College with the latest breaking details on the investigation. Alex.
Yeah, Clarice, and it happened right here. That campaign sign was blocking this Vote Here sign. So the volunteer tried to move that sign, instead cutting his hands on razor blades located underneath the sign, which may have been attached to this one. Now, a college spokesperson tells me that unfortunately there are no cameras in this area, and as of tonight, no arrests have been made. Pictures of a booby-trapped Trump-Pence campaign sign released by Collin College shows the drastic action someone took to make sure it wasn't moved without consequence.
It wasn't a prank as far as it looked to me. It looked like that was something intentional to hurt somebody. Collin
County Elections Administrator Bruce Sherbet is disturbed by this dangerous political maneuver. Sherbet says he got a call early Tuesday morning informing him that a volunteer had been injured while trying to reposition the sign that was blocking the official polling site sign.
These things on the surface look one way, but you can't just jump to conclusions. That's why they need to be investigated and thoroughly.
The chair of the Collin County Democratic Party agrees.
So we find anybody at home?
Mike Rawlings says he's troubled by this.
It's kind of a new low for somebody actually to do it. Not to mention doing it on public property at a polling place.
Collin County Republican Party Executive Director Neil Katz feels the same way.
They were placed in front of a vote sign so somebody would have to move it. It was obviously intent was for someone to get cut.
But just who the culprit is remains a mystery. And with 2 days of early voting left, the Collin County Elections Administrator warns against finger pointing.
In a campaign so hotly contested, you just need to be very careful. That's why law enforcement needs to look at this and see if they can find anything that would reveal the perpetrator of doing something like this.
And if and when that person is caught, they could be charged with tampering or even criminal mischief. Now, thankfully, I'm told that volunteer did suffer only minor injuries. Also, campus police spent the day reviewing all of the election signs here on campus, and a spokesperson tells me that they did not find any other signs with any questionable items on it. Clarice?
Alex Boyer live in Plano. Thank you.